Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is very short video for you, which I would like to remind you or show you something. If you own Toyota and you give it to the services, hopefully they do a good job, or at least some reasonable job. But here is an example of one thing which many services and mechanics overlook or refuse to deal with, right? They don't want to waste time with some little upsell, wasting time checking your cabin air filter. And this is perfect example. This vehicle has 90,000 miles. It's getting serviced regularly. And look at this nightmare. When do you think this was serviced last time? See the details? This cabin filter might have been never pulled out, right? This was completely blocked by these materials. Obviously that's a mice nest, right? Look at the chicken feathers here, right? So the mice was bringing it here for a long time, but even the filter itself, that's completely plugged with the debris which was falling there for an extremely long time. This didn't happen in 1 month or in 1 year. That took way longer. I guess that's one of the reasons why some people will say if you want to have something done, do it by yourself, right? Because you can't really trust other people anyway. I hope you enjoyed this very short video and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.